Hello, hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. So KSET, in this video I solve 5 previous year KSET questions. These questions belongs to AMP, that is atomic molecular physics. So ಇವೆರಡು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 2020ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದೊಳಗೆ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೋಟಲಿ 2020 KSET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. AMP ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ 11 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ, AMPಯಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದೊಳಗೆ ನಾನು 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದೊಳಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. So first question, the ground state of the Cesium atom is. So options ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ Cesium ದ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಿ Cesium ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೀಜಿಯಮ್ದು ಏನು ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೀಜಿಯಮ್ದು ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರು 55. ಸೊ ಈ 55ನ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸೀಜಿಯಮ್ದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ xenon 6s1. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ Cesium atom. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಔಟರ್ there is one electron outside the closed cell. The outer electron is in s orbital. So s orbital s ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ L value 0. The outer electron is in an s orbital. For an s orbital L equal to 0. The spectroscopic letter for L equal to 0 is S. So an electron has a single electron irodrinda the spin, an electron has spin S equal to 1/2. So spin multiplicity 2s plus 1, so 1/2 plus 1 we get 2. So the term begins with 2s. So ಇವಾಗ J ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, angular moment, total angular momentum. So J equal to L plus S. Here L is 0 and S is 1/2. 0 plus 1/2 equal to 1/2. 0 minus 1/2 also 0 minus 1/2 equal to 1/2. Here 2s 1/2. The right answer, option B, is the right one. Next question. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ xenon ಬರೋದು 6s1 ಬರೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯೋದು 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d10 4p6 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 69 ಏನಿದೆ, ಟು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ experimentally in one electron atom, the electric field should be of the order. So options 10⁵ volt per centimeter, 10⁵2 volt per centimeter, 1 volt per centimeter, and less than 1 volt per centimeter. So for one electron atoms experimentally observable stark splitting requires a strong electric field of approximately 10⁵ volt per centimeter. Right answer, option A. Stark effect means when an atom is placed in an external electric field, its energy levels can shift, or its energy level can split. So this is the Stark effect. Next question number 70. In the normal Zeeman effect, the middle spectral line is options: circular, polarized, elliptically polarized, not polarized, and plane polarized. So before we know about Zeeman effect, so when an atom is placed in a magnetic field, spectral line splits into three components. This is called normal Zeeman effect. So the three components are: first one, delta M equal to +1, delta M equal to 0, delta M equal to -1. These are three spectral lines. So first, delta M +1, one side component, that is circular polarization. Delta M 0, middle component, this is plane polarized or linear polarization. Third one, delta -1, is the again other side of component, circular polarization. So option D is the right one, plane polarized. Next question. One of the following elements shows the doublet spectral features like the alkalis. Identify it from the following: singly ionized boron, singly ionized aluminum, singly ionized barium, and singly ionized oxygen. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ one of the following element shows double spectrals. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಬ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಗಿ shows the doublet spectral features like the alkalis. Identify from the following. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ singly ionized boron. So boron the atomic number 5. Boron the atomic number 5. Atomic number ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1s2 2s2 2p1. So after losing one electron, that is single 1s2 2s2, the outer cell has 2 electrons. So it is not a alkali-like. Second option, singly ionized aluminum. So aluminum atomic number 13. Aluminum atomic number 13. We have to write about electron configuration: neon 3s2 3p1. After ionization, aluminum, neon 3s2. Again there are 2 outer electrons. Therefore Al plus is not a one valency electron system like an alkali atom. So this is not. Again singly ionized barium. So barium has atomic number 56. So again xenon 6s2. After ionization, losing one electron, so 6s1. Now there is one electron outside the closed cell. So barium plus is a alkali-like. One electron has spin 1/2, and so option C is the right one. Now next question. A proton having magnetogyric ratio of, so magnetogyric ratio, that is gamma equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 radian per Tesla second. Preceding in a magnetic field of strength 5 Tesla, B is 5T. In its NMR frequency will be nearer to. Here magnetic, so here the angular alarm frequency, NMR frequency omega equal to gamma B. Here magnetogyric ratio is 3 into 10 raised to 8 and magnetic field 5T. So the angular alarm frequency is omega equal to gamma B, but ordinary frequency is omega equal to 2 phi nu equal to gamma B. Here we want frequency, that is gamma B equal to 2 phi. Substitute the values in this formula. 3 into 10 raised to 8 into 5, 2 into 2 pi, that is 15 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 6.28, that is simplify this, we get 239 megahertz, 239 megahertz, that is nearly equal to option number A, 250 megahertz. So you wish to these 5 questions belongs to the AMP. So remaining 6 questions left, upcoming those questions, ಆ questions ಕೂಡ ನಾನು next ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Thank you.